Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to the new subscribers, you're welcome guys. So on this particular video, I will be sharing with you how long it took for me to get my AdSense pin. Yes guys, it is a journey. Trust me. I don't know if there's any person that ordered for this pin and it arrived immediately. I doubt that. But well, here's my story and I'm ready to share it with you guys. Stay tuned. You might be wondering that okay, this channel doesn't have lots of subscribers, right? And how is it possible that this particular channel has been monetized? Yeah, your inquiries, your inquisitions are right, they're valid. Okay, like I said in my previous video, this is just a new channel. This channel automatically is not monetized, right? It's my other channel that is monetized. So I decided to use this channel to share out my monetization process and other things I know about YouTube that I believe will help lots of intending YouTube creators out there. Okay guys, so that being said, let me um show you guys the AdSense pin. Like, this is what it looks like. This is how it looks like in the paper, right? But trust me when I say this paper is very important. I don't know, the lightning, yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So I ordered for this pin. What ordered? Okay, I ordered for this pin. Okay, the first one comes automatically, right? It comes automatically. um do I say Google AdSense? Google sends it directly automatically to you as long as you've reached the monetization stage and you've done the other necessities, which I will be sharing with you on another video, because this particular video is to tell you how long it took to get the pin. So after that guys, you fill the whole information you need to fill, and you go ahead and what's the word now, you go ahead to apply for the pin, right? Then Google automatically sends it to you. You just get an email that your pin has been mailed to your address. Remember, you're going to put an address that's where you're staying, like the mailing address, right? So that happens. You get to wait for 3 weeks maximum. Yeah, 3 weeks. Then if after 3 weeks the pin doesn't get to you, then you have to apply yourself, right? Remember I said the first one is done automatically by Google. So this time around, you are the one to apply. You'd see in if you're using a phone, if you're using a screen, a computer, you get to see that okay, you see a place where you see resend pin, right? So you resend. If you want to change your address, probably you fill the address, your postal code you put in the previous one is not really do I use the word active, you can change it, right? So the pin can get to you very fast. So now back to my story. So after Google sent the first one automatically, right, we waited. Yeah, we waited because so when after 3 weeks we didn't get the pin, we decided to go out to the post office and find out if there's a change, more like in the postal code, if we got it right. You get, there are lots of things that you just have to confirm if it's true, so you can keep your mind at rest, because so we found out everything was correct, right? So we came back and we had to apply for another one. That makes it two, right? Remember, Google sends one automatically, then you send the second one. So we sent the second one. We waited. We waited for calls. Nothing. Till 3 weeks was over, we had to send the third one. By this time, I was already, whew. So remember, there's an option, right? If after the fourth time your pin doesn't come, you can now troubleshoot. There you have to use your means of identification to verify, and that's a lot easier, right? So but I just wanted to pass through the process, So like as I've passed through the process, I'm here to share it with you. So if that's what you want, you also want to pass through the process, or you want to just go straight to um the troubleshooting process, you can, right? People that because trust me, waiting for pin is something else. So after that, the third one didn't come as well. So what we had to do was when applying for a pin, right? You see the first thing they ask you your name, the no, your name, yeah, the address. There are two options for address, like there are two places for address. So the first one you put in your address, right? The second one, guys, you put in your phone number. You put in your phone number, guys. So it will make it easier for whoever that received that pin to call, to reach out to you, right? Because there are lots of pins in the post office, guys. If you see the heap of pins in the post office, I guess it's because there's no way to reach out to this person. So they are the ones that have to come to the office to start looking out for their names and all. Because the officers at the post office will not, they're not magicians, so they can't reach out to you. You just have to. So the second option for address, try to put in your phone number, then thank me later. So guys, we did this and it worked, right? It worked, and mind you, we changed our postal address as well. We changed it again. So I guess that was what contributed to it. So we got our pin at the fourth trial, right? Third trial. The third trial, yes. We got our pin at the third trial. And we're so happy because we waited and we waited. Like this pin has made a lot of YouTube YouTube creators like give up, because like I said in my previous video, this pin is the key that unlocks everything. So if you don't get to see the pin, what happens? You just keep, do you understand? So it was really a hectic journey, but it was worth it at the end. Like when you sit down to think and be like, can you really? You just have to wait, try. We are glad that there's this thing called troubleshooting process, right? So it makes it easier. If you know you don't want to have a waiting process, then you can just just move ahead to the troubleshooting process. There, like I said, you get to apply with your bank statement, your rent receipt, and the means of identification, right? And that's it. So it took me a while to get the pin, but it finally came, and it's just an awesome journey. Trust me, you'll be glad you passed through the whole process. So guys, that being said, I'll be ending this video with, please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think about, tell me what you think about this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Until next time, guys, bye for now.